walk over here in a minute after we plug into the supercharger. This is supercharger number 2000 something. 2,657 on the original battery pack and the original motors. So to get to the Spotted Cow Cafe and Grill, we have to walk back down here where we drove by initially. State police right there. This is Trout Town, USA, according to their slogan that we see. Make sure you curb your dog. A little welcome area here. Prohibition Distillery. And more little signs for your pictures there. Information center. All right, here's the intersection. There's a pizzeria, and then we're gonna go to like whatever cafe is down there. We have some memorials here. So we're going down here on the right. They have coffee here too. This place. So Spotted Cow, it says, is right here. Cafe Grill. We got a drive-up banking thing. So this is like an old bank. That's what it is, right?
That doesn't have
Okay, what do you think, Denise?
it's not very strong. So if you like your chai that barely tastes like tea at all, it tastes more like
But you don't know if it has caffeine or not. You didn't ask, right?
No, I didn't ask. There were all different kinds of chai, and this one had cinnamon in it, so I asked for it to be sweetened with almond milk.
Yeah, mine's this is okay. That's my rating. But there's not really much. Well, there are other places in town. I don't know if they're any good, but
yeah, there's a Mediterranean restaurant that has coffee on the menu too, on the sidewalk menu.
here's proof about the trout. Right here, a wooden trout.
They're supposed to be in the water.
I wonder if electric cars are now putting gas stations out of business. This could be the first one that's going to convert the gas pumps to electric pull-throughs, hopefully. So these bagels they have are brought in by somebody else. You saw all the stuff they had in their store.
They're Grizzly bagels from upstate New York.
Grizzly.
It's pretty small. See, the bottom half has this big chunk. My half is thinner, so you get that half.
I don't usually get toasted bagels. It's decent. Full of salt, like any food-like product.
Yeah, it's
Oh my gosh. It's super salty. I know. But it tastes good. I say the bagels are probably better than the coffee was.